Troubleshooting Nexus 8 alarm issues. Is your Nexus 8 alarm constantly going off? Here's how to fix it. The Nexus 8, being an older device, often suffers from alarm glitches due to outdated software and hardware limitations. These issues can stem from the built-in clock app, conflicts with other apps, scheduling errors, or do not disturb settings. Since official updates are no longer available, troubleshooting requires a few key steps. Begin by rebooting your device to clear any temporary glitches. Then go to Settings, Apps, and find the clock app. Clear its cache and data. This resets the app and removes potentially corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Finally, check if any third-party apps are interfering with the clock app. Apps like task killers or battery savers might be preventing the alarm from functioning correctly. Try uninstalling recently installed apps to see if the problem resolves. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve Nexus 8 alarm issues, advanced fixes may be needed. Start by whitelisting the clock app in battery optimization settings to prevent Android from terminating its background processes. Next, verify the clock app has necessary permissions for setting alarms and reminders. Ensure Alarms and Reminders is enabled in app settings. Check your alarm schedules for accuracy, including time zones and daylight saving adjustments to prevent miscalculations. For Do Not Disturb mode, manually configure exceptions to allow alarms to ring through suppressed notifications. If needed, use ADB commands to reset the Alarm Manager system component for a fresh start. For advanced users, consider rooting your device and installing a custom ROM like Lineage OS, which may offer better stability. Regularly clear the clock app's cache and review installed apps to identify potential conflicts that could cause future alarm problems.